In this video, we use the graphing tool to help us graph this equation. First, we have to notice that it is an exponential equation. The reason we know this is because the variable x is up in the exponent. You also notice that you have this 2 in the base because our graphing form of our exponential is always going to have a 2. We've kept it that way to make sure that the graphing aspect of it can be focused on and not the base, although this base number can technically be any number. In this scenario, and for us, it's going to be a 2. And then from there, you have to find your locator point and your stretch factor. So the locator point is hk, so that would be a positive 9 and a positive 3, because you see an x minus 9 in the exponent, and your a value is equal to 4. That is how we know how much to move. Now the exponential graph is kind of unique. There's actually going to be 3 clicks that you need. The first click is going to be at your hk, just like all the others. So 9, 3 is where I put my first click. And of course, you got to select your exponential curve first on the bottom. So I click 9, 3. You can see just the horizontal asymptote shows up like we expect, because that's a key characteristic of exponential. From there, we go directly up 4 units, because that is our A. So we don't move to the right, we go directly up and put a dot at 4 units. And nothing is graphed yet because you need to do another set of 4. So from there, I move 4 up after I move 1 to the right, or I move 1 to the right from that new point and up another 4. And so that's an important aspect of this graph. You start at your HK. The A value is when you go directly up. You know, that is your 4 there. You go to the right one and up another 4. That's every single time. The reason we do that is because there's a 2 here, so it's kind of like doubling whatever that A value is, and that's why you do that every single time. You can see this horizontal asymptote. Here's your HK, and the A goes directly up.